have for make time for physical activity. We got to. Our life, our looks, our mental health is all dependent on making time for physical activity by any means necessary. Yeah, that's all. I know it sounds easy and dumb, but I have faith y'all will do it. We'll have no choice. We want to live longer. We want to feel better. We want to get off medications. And you ain't got to do a lot, as y'all saw. 30 minutes a day, a little at a time. It don't take much. We're not trying to be bodybuilders. Get that out your mind. I think that's what scared people away. We're not trying to be bodybuilders. We're just 150 minutes. That's 30 minutes a day. That bodybuilders, they work out 3 hours a day. That's not us. We're not trying to get that. We just want to be healthy. Healthy people need 150 minutes a week. That's 30 minutes a day. If you do more, good for you. You're going to look better. The more you do, the better you're going to look and feel, period, with your physical activity. Do 150 minutes. That's the basics. You'll live little, won't have a lot of medical problems. Do more, you will have less medical problems. You'll look better and feel better. So again, the more you do, the better you feel, the better you look. It is what it is. Right? Everybody, that makes sense? Yeah, this is one of my favorites because y'all know I'm a trainer. So, I had to come in on that one because, that's my favorite, because I want y'all not to fear. This is your friend. This is something you want to make a woman, physical activity. This is our friend. I'm telling y'all, it will tone your body naturally. There's so many exercises, butt raises and bridges you can do to tone your butt and your arm. But all that's later on. Right now, we're just worried about the weight. I got y'all next year. Once you want to start toning your legs, your butt, all that, you want this, I got you. Right now, let's just keep this habit, get this weight off. So next year we can be like cohort 1 and in the process of toning and building muscle and really seeing our work paid off and after a year's worth of work.